If you're a small business owner, you spend a lot of time thinking about one important thing. Where should I spend my marketing dollars to get the greatest return? Well, the answer is right in the palm of your hand. You need affordable, locally targeted, mobile banner ads. On average, mobile users spend 3 hours per day using their mobile devices, and 90% of that time is spent using apps. With ad packages priced and built for any size business, you can have thousands of monthly ad impressions on top apps that people in your area are already using. Best of all, we handle absolutely everything. First, your banner ad and landing page are created. Your landing page can contain details about your business, as well as essential calls to action, like tap to call, tap for directions, and download coupon. The choice is yours. Then we place your ad on the same targeting engine as large, powerful brands. With thousands of top mobile apps in our ever-growing app network, you could be seen on apps like USA Today, ABC News, and AccuWeather. Our geo-targeted ad approach starts by reaching potential customers within a 1-mile radius. We then expand outward based on your desired reach. Plus, if you like, we can target multiple areas so you can reach all of your locations. Or if you choose, areas around your competitors. Plus, to prove that it's working, you get a monthly detailed analytics report. The average person checks their smartphone 46 times a day, and mobile offers are redeemed 10 times more frequently than paper coupons. Let us help you start reaching this valuable audience in your area today.